Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you. It's Saturday night. That can only mean one thing. Joanne and Jethro Mills tonight at New Garden Restaurant in Needham. We're doing karaoke. Come on down, we'll sing, we'll drink, we'll have some food. It's going to be awesome. Great people. And Joanne and Jethro there. What else do you want? I mean, this is the A-Team is back. That's all I can tell you. Hey, I sound like Rodney a little bit there, don't I? Huh? All right, let's check out the weather headline. Here's the deal. We do have a high wind warning posted. I'll show you that in a second, exactly where it is. From 5 o'clock tomorrow morning till 7 o'clock tomorrow night, heavy snow, thunder snow in Boston tomorrow morning between 6 and 9 o'clock. The ground's certainly going to whiten up. Northwest winds could gust up to 65 miles an hour. And because of that, we do have a high wind warning posted in the Gold area throughout much of Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, including Cape Cod of the islands. There's a wind advisory posted for southern Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont. Winds there could gust well over 40 miles an hour. Let me show you what's going on as of early this evening. You see a whole package of energy with a burst of heavy snow back into the Great Lakes. There's a lot of atmospheric spin. This is going to be diving off to the east-southeast, where new low pressure is going to get organized just to the east of the Cape tomorrow morning. That's why we're concerned about some heavy snow with lots of dynamics in the atmosphere. I'll tell you, it could really go nuts here for a while tomorrow morning. Then the storm pulls away, and behind that, very strong northwest winds are blowing in here, perhaps creating some power outages. So let's set the stage for you. Tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, there's an intensifying area of low pressure just to the east of Chatham, and behind that, very strong northwest winds are blowing in and cold air filtering down. As a matter of fact, temperatures tomorrow afternoon fall back into the 20s. Here's the next area of low pressure upstream here, back in the Dakotas. This is going to be a player for Monday and Monday evening. More on that in a second. But how much snow from the first storm? This is what we're going with. 1 to 3 inches in the greater Boston area in the pink zone, a dusting to 2 in southeastern Mass. Now, for the Berkshires, Worcester County, the Merrimack Valley, 2 to perhaps as much as 5 inches. Now, for the most part, this is going to be on grassy areas because the sun is so high in the sky at this time of year. Even though it's cloudy, we have a lot of brightness that's going to melt the snow, a lot of it on the roadways. But I don't want to underplay the fact that some of the roads could be very slick. You need to drive very carefully early tomorrow morning with perhaps near whiteout conditions for a short time. Now let's jump ahead to about 10 o'clock Monday morning. Here comes the next storm, which is developing back now in the northern plain states. It'll be diving into central Pennsylvania with a warm front in this position. Cold air well entrenched in the northeast, so a surge of snow will certainly be moving into the greater Boston area. And by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, hello, there's me trying to look at the map. Where's my 1 o'clock map? Love that. Okay, here we are. Here's the 1 o'clock map, and we have low pressure south of Block Island. This storm looks like it's going to have another center back around Chesapeake Bay. So you get the idea. It's going to be a stretched out couple of ways with the northeast wind and the cold air, and that could prolong the snow in southeastern Massachusetts Monday night with very cold air coming down from the north and very mild ocean temperatures in low and mid-40s now. And temperature in the vertical is going to be quite a contrast and study. That could keep the snows going over the Cape and the islands. We'll be building a new snow map for you, and I'll have that for you late tonight for tomorrow morning. But locally overnight in the greater Boston area, here's the situation. More rain developing, changing to snow before dawn. Temperatures by morning in low and mid-30s. Now you wake up tomorrow morning again between 6 and 9. It could be snowing to beat the band, but then it's gone. Rapid clearing, windy, cold. Temperatures starting in the 30s, falling into the 20s during the afternoon with a howling northwest wind. Monday, more snow. It'll be in low and mid-30s. Again, could be 7 inches, certainly on grassy areas, but some of the roads could be slick. It's done in Boston by dark, but could continue for a good chunk of the night over the Cape and the islands. And Tuesday, it's partly sunny, windy and cold, 37. Thickening clouds on Wednesday, much milder, near 50. Rainy, windy, and mild on Thursday as low pressure moves west of New England. So obviously, lots to follow. We'll be around. We'll keep you posted. I'm Mark Rosenthal. Have a wonderful evening and hope to see you at New Garden Restaurant.